Let's walk through the numbers of Surya Roshni Ltd, India's leading pipe exporter and a major player in lighting. Looking at sales, Surya Roshni had 1,893 crore in June 2024. By June 2025, sales dropped to 1,604 crore. That's a fall of 289 crores, which is 15.5% loss. The same period last year had modest growth of just 0.96%. So the latest quarter shows a pretty sharp fall after a few flat periods. This signals challenging times for the company in terms of revenue. Let's move from sales to what the company spent to keep running. In June 2024, expenses were 1,742 crore, dropping to 1,535 crore by June 2025, a fall of 207 crore, which is minus 11.88% fall. Most of the expenses, 77%, go into materials and about 7% pays the employees. The fall in expenses helps, but not enough to offset the bigger revenue dip. Next, let's see how profits are holding up after covering these costs. Operating profit in June 2024 was 151 crore, but 1 year later in June 2025, it went down to 70 crore. That's a drop of 81 crore or a decline of 53.56%. The operating profit margin is also fell from 8% to 4%. This means out of every 100 earned, only 4 rupees stayed as operating profit in the latest quarter. And if you notice, profit before tax in June 2024 came to 123 crore, but only 46 crore in June 2025. That's down by 77 crores or 62.6% loss. Tax rate remains steady at 26%. Finally, net profit was 92 crore in June 2024, plunging to 34 crore in June 2025, a sharp drop of 58 crore or 63% loss. The EPS tells the same story. They went from 4.25 rupees in June 2024 to 1.54 rupees by June 2025. So, Surya Roshni's story right now is one of falling sales and shrinking profits. They have managed to cut same cost, but revenue declined even more, leading to a sharp drop in both profit and earnings per share this quarter. The company remains financially solid with nearly no debt and healthy long-term ratios, which is a positive sign and offers hope for a future turnaround. So, while this quarter was tough, Surya Roshni has a strong foundation to bounce back when the market improves. So, what do you think? Can Surya Roshni bounce back in the next few quarters, or will weak demand keep hurting profits? Let me know in the comments.